Hey everyone, for tomorrow's morning assembly, I am assigned to recite a speech. And the good thing is that I could choose any topic. And I have decided it to be a motivational one. I never really think about these assembly things, but tomorrow is a different day. Tomorrow is the second day of the class 10th, and I want to make sure that I have a good impression on the class teacher. If my speech goes well and it will create a good impression on the class teacher will put forward my name for the school functions and I will be filled with opportunities. So I am going to prepare my best for it. This speech is not written anywhere. I am just going to express my ideas. And the best one I could record or speak, I will put it in this video. So let's get into it. Good morning. Today is a special day. And this special day could be a life-changing one for you. My name is Paperbucket. I am going to recite a speech on the topic comparing kills. Comparing kills time. Comparing kills energy. Comparing kills efforts. For the conclusion, comparing kills you. In the contrast, comparing saves time. Comparing saves energy. Comparing saves efforts. Comparing leads to growth. And for the conclusion, comparing develops you. Everything is an art. And if you want to be on the contrast side of comparing, you first need to master the art of comparing correctly. When you compare yourself with others, you don't grow as much as when you don't compare. Let me take example of the person I trust the most and I know everything about. That is me. If I compare myself with this pen, saying that this pen has better speaking skills than me, if I go with that mindset, I will never be able to be better than this pen and I will be limited. People say I speak negative a lot. Let's see on the positive side. I am going to be better than this pencil. Now, here the problem is my focus is on being better than this pencil. Due to this, all the unique ideas and opportunities that come in my mind will all be blocked. And for the speaking skills, I will be limited to speaking skills only. I won't search for things I'm good at, even if I'm better than all the people sitting in this room. And if I compare myself with myself, my mind will be open for all the myself. If I compare myself with myself, if I compare myself with myself, the focus will be, I will compare the current me. If I compare myself with myself, I will compare current me to the future me. So, my focus will be on development and my mind will, and so the focus will be on development and I need to develop, and no matter what way I do it, so my mind will be open for all the unique ideas and opportunities and there will be no limit for the limitations. I won't be stuck to a speaking skills only. I will look for other things I'm good at, things I'm better than everyone else in this room. So this is how comparing leads to growth and comparing kills you. So all you need is to make a mindset. All I need to make a mindset. Let me say, in the next 100 days, I'm going to better. I'm going to develop myself so hard that no one will believe what I am now. For in the next 100 days, I will develop myself so hard that no one will believe what I was the way I'm today. For the next 100, let me say, in the next 100 days, I will develop myself so hard that no one will believe what I am now. The way that no one is the way I am now. And let me say, in the next 100 days, I will develop myself so hard that no one will believe the way I am now. Okay. In the next 100 days, I will develop myself so hard that no one will believe what I am today. So, this is the mindset for growth and comparing. If you want growth, you need this mindset. No, I will give it a better finish. Okay, it's okay. I will compare myself. So, if you want to compare yourself, you first need to master the art of comparing. Thank you. Okay, this will kind of be my ending. So I'm not. It's already 11:30, and I have to do other works too, and wake up on 6 a.m. So I will not do this one more time. I've been doing this for 1 hour. I think I have confidence to speak tomorrow. So I hope everything goes well for tomorrow. So thank you and bye.